Hello everyone and welcome to this JavaScript introductory class. We have done so far in this web development series, we have done for HTML and CSS, and right now we are doing for JavaScript. Okay, we're going to learn about JavaScript and what it entails. So what I want you to do right now is to go ahead and open this website on your browser, node.js.org/en/download, and go ahead and install Node.js on your PC in case you don't have it already. Go ahead and install it. So if you're using a Windows, if you're on Windows, you can go ahead and install this Windows version, and if you're on Mac, go ahead and install this Mac version. Okay, after that, go ahead and install it, and then you can now come to your Visual Studio Code. And I also want you to go ahead and go to your extension right here, and then type in code runner. Okay, type in code runner and it will open this place for you. Go ahead and click on this first one and then install this extension. Okay, go ahead and install this extension in just about some kilobytes, and then you're done with the installation. After that, you can go ahead and come to your folder and create a file. As you can see, I named my own file index.js. okay, that's what I named my file. So what I want to do right now is to basically show us how to write our first JavaScript code. Okay, how to write our first JavaScript code. So let us say you want to display something on the console, okay, or on the terminal. What you have to do is to go ahead and just type in console and .log. Then whatsoever you want to display out. Let's say I want to display out hello world. Okay, I will go ahead and type in hello and then world as this. Okay, and I can save this. And because we downloaded that code runner that I showed us from this extension code runner, because we downloaded this and installed it, okay, basically when you download it, it should auto install. Okay, then because we downloaded it, we are now seeing this play like icon at the top right of our code, okay, of our file rather. All right, so this means that it can run in your terminal. When you click on this, it should be able to display on the terminal, and it will display on the terminal because you have also installed the Node.js I told us to install at first. Okay, so basically when after installing the Node.js, I want you to go ahead and install the extension. Okay, after installing the extension, go ahead and create a file, just name it anything, then it will have extension of JS. Okay, then you can just go ahead and write in this code. Don't bother about it, I will explain in the subsequent videos, because this is basically an introductory video. Okay, so just go ahead and write this thing, and then go ahead and click on this play button, and you should have your output. As you can see, we have our hello world displayed here. Okay, so this is basically our first JavaScript code. Okay, and you should also understand, I mentioned it during the series, that HTML is not a programming language. Okay, now JavaScript is a programming language. So this is basically the first programming language we are gonna learn in this series, and it's in a bid to make our website so much user friendly and for our website to have to be interactive. Okay, so this is it for this particular video, and I want to see you in the next video so that we can be able to talk more about JavaScript and see the much we can do with JavaScript. See you there. Thank you.